Hello students. So today in this class we will be going to discuss about the calculation related with the consumable items which we are supposed to show in the income and expenditure account to be made in a current financial year. So how we have to calculate the amount of the item consumed like medicines, stationery, any sports equipments. So these are various items which are consumed by the non-profit making organization for the welfare of their members. So exact amount of the item consumed during the year should be recorded in the income and expenditure account. So let's see directly with the help of a particular numericals. There is a table which we will be making. In this table, first opening stock of material, let's say it is given rupees 10,000. During the year we have made the purchase of the material. So purchase made during the year, that is worth rupees 25,000, and at the end we are having the closing stock of material, that is 5,000. So whatever is remaining at the end, it will be subtracted, and the total amount of material which we have consumed during the year, it becomes like this. Opening stock of material was already there with us, that was 10,000. During the current accounting year we have purchased material worth rupees 25,000. So this becomes 35,000, and at the end 5,000 rupees material was still there with us. So total material consumed during the year becomes 30,000 rupees, which is to be debited to income and expenditure account. So this is the simplest calculation. Now moving ahead, sometime what happens that in this we are not getting the credit purchase. The total purchase consists of cash plus credit. So sometimes the credit purchase of the material is not directly given to us. So in that case we have to find out the credit purchase also. So how we will be finding out the credit purchase? Again we have to go with the table, that is calculation of credit purchase of material consumed. In this, the informations which are to be used by us are amount paid to creditors during the year, which is given there. So that is, let's say rupees 25,000 rupees. In that, add outstanding creditors at the end of current year. Let's say it is 10,000 plus advance creditors in the beginning of current year, it is 5,000 minus outstanding creditors in the beginning of current year, which is related with the previous year outstanding amount. So that we have to deduct, let's say 7,000 rupees. Then minus advance creditor at the end of current year, which is for next year. Let's say it is 3,000 rupees. So total amount, that is amount paid to creditor during the year given was 25,000. Then the informations were outstanding creditor at the end of current year, that is you have not paid the amount 10,000 for current year, and advance creditor in the beginning of current year which you have already received in advance during the last year, that is 5,000. So total become 40,000. Out of that, outstanding creditor in the beginning of the current year were 7,000 which were paid in this amount. So you have to minus it, and advance creditor at the end of current year, again you have paid 3,000, that was for next year. So 7 and 3, 10. So total become 35, 40 minus 10, that is 30,000. So this is the amount of credit purchase of material made during the year. Now with this credit purchase, you can add the cash purchase which is given. So then it becomes the net purchase made during the year, and then opening stock will be added and closing will be subtracted. So in this case you have to go for this calculation also. If the creditors for sports material or any other medicine consumed or item consumed is given, so first we have to see that how much is the amount of the credit purchase. So we have to find first, and then we have to go here and add this amount in the total amount of purchase, that is cash purchase, and then add opening stock and less closing stock. Just go through this video and try to understand what is being explained here. Okay, so this will help you in solving the various calculation problem related with the material consumed during the year, which you have to ultimately record in your income and expenditure account. Thank you.